Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with AI for $100 per hour. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and generate new ideas. If you're looking for a way to make money online, AI is a great option. As you know, artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world. It's being used in everything from self-driving cars to medical diagnosis. And as AI continues to evolve, there will be even more opportunities to make money with it. 1. Become an AI developer. One of the best ways to make money with AI is to become an AI developer. As the demand for AI developers grows, so will the salaries. In fact, according to a recent report by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the demand for AI developers is expected to grow by 22% by 2029. If you're interested in becoming an AI developer, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to learn the basics of AI. There are many online courses and tutorials available that can teach you the basics. Once you have a good understanding of the basics, you can start learning more advanced AI concepts. You can also get hands-on experience with AI by working on open-source projects or by creating your own AI projects. Once you have some experience, you can start applying for AI developer jobs. 2. Become an AI consultant. Another way to make money with AI is to become an AI consultant. As businesses start to adopt AI, they will need help from consultants to understand how to use it and to implement it successfully. If you're interested in becoming an AI consultant, you need to have a deep understanding of AI. You also need to be able to communicate complex technical concepts to non-technical audiences. To become an AI consultant, you can start by working as a technical advisor or a project manager. Once you have some experience, you can start offering your services as an AI consultant. 3. Create AI products. Finally, you can also make money with AI by creating AI products. This could include anything from AI-powered apps to AI-powered software. If you're interested in creating AI products, you need to have a good understanding of the AI development process. You also need to be able to come up with creative ideas for AI products. To create AI products, you can start by learning the basics of AI development. Once you have a good understanding of the process, you can start brainstorming ideas for AI products. You can also get help from AI development tools and services. There are many tools available that can help you with everything from data collection to model training. These are just a few ways you can make money with AI for $100 per hour. As AI continues to evolve, there will be even more opportunities to make money with it. So if you're interested in making money with AI, now is the time to start learning. Call to action. If you want to learn more about how to make money with AI, I encourage you to check out the resources I've mentioned in this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this video has inspired you to learn more about how to make money with AI. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI and other topics. Thanks for watching.